Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, good morning, everybody. I'm freaking my wife out because I'm leaving early in the morning. It's 6 a.m. Fort Hill, and I've been sitting out here with my wife, Sarah. This is her.
Where to look.
Right there. Ish. Somewhere. I'll figure it out. We've been sitting out here since about 5 this morning waiting for a big thunderstorm to roll through because I didn't want to start at wet and dark. So we waited it out. Everything's passed except for some lightning, some thunder. You're supposed to say lightning and thunder.
Lightning.
But so today I'm leaving Marshfield and headed to Sioux Falls. Bobby and Bob are already in Sioux City, Iowa right now, so they've got a big jump on me, but we are going to head out. I'm going to have Sarah say a blessing over me and the trip, and I didn't ask her that. I just told her that. So anyway, we're going to get this show on the road. Will you say a blessing over us, please?
I will.
Ow.
Heavenly Father, I just thank you for this day and this opportunity that these boys have to do this. I praise you in advance for your hedge of protection over them. And Lord, I just pray that you wrap your arms around them and protect them on this adventure of a lifetime that they're about to embark on. And God, give them the peace of mind and the comfort as they go about this. Keep the craziness and the obstacles to a minimum and keep the drivers around them lacking the crazy. And just keep their minds sharp, Lord, as they go down the road. Protect them, let them have fun, and may your blessings be upon them as they go on this trip. In your name we pray. Amen. I love you.
Love you. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to get dressed up and suited up real quick, and then we're going to start this journey. Will you shut the door and turn all the lights off and stuff when I get out? By the way, I'm not going to record the entire trip. It's Missouri, cities, and Iowa, which is nothing exciting. If something pops up, I'll try to hit record and catch it, and we'll kind of go from there. But
Do you have a departure song planned?
no departure songs. Rain, rain, go away.
Here I go, get on my...
I was thinking of rain, rain, go away.
How about rain is a good thing?
Daniel
We could incorporate Luke Ryan for our friend Daniel.
would love that.
Or lightning and the thunder.
Should already have my Bluetooth hooked
we'll
up.
Learn if there's anything you forgot to strap down.
That was loud.
Uh-oh.
Make one final pass here.
We've got our 3 gremlin bells now.
Yes. Oh, yeah. My buddy Mike Shepard stopped by last night, and he was supposed to possibly be going on this trip with us, and it didn't pan out. But he brought me another gremlin bell, so I now have one from my mother-in-law on the front left of my bike, one from Mike on the right-hand side of my bike, and one on my camper from my mother. So, gremlins should stay away from me. However, yesterday, Bob and Bobby stopped for some fuel someplace outside of Sioux City, Iowa, and Bob's bike wouldn't start. So they push started it and got him going, and he made it to Sioux City last night, and they're in a hotel right now, probably sleeping. They did get to the hotel and the bike fired up, so they're going to go get the battery looked at today. It's a 50-50 shot whether Bob gets a new battery or
A new gold wing.
a new gold wing. So we'll see how that plays out.
But I think if we get all the obstacles out of the way at the start.
Let's hope. Let's hope. Okay. Everything's in there. All right, babe.
Love you.
I love you.
Hang on. I'll take the video. You're in the car too.
I've got to find some music.
Daddy's hardly ever home since Mama passed away. He's always working overtime.
Love you.
That he cannot afford
Well,
to buy
my bike
that
was
car,
nice and
even
clean,
though he'd love to make it mine.
but not now.
It's not the car that I need, just a chance to be with him. I know that once these days roll past us, they will never come
We're
again.
gonna make sure and honk at the neighbors over here, Jeff and Delana.
We spend way too much apart.
They also came over for
There
dinner
would
last
always
night.
be a part of us together.
Wake them up. I doubt they heard me. But now they know when they watch this video, if they watch it, that I honked at them.
Time we could have shared. It was a distant
So, when Sarah and I took our 2-week ride with Bobby and them,
last fall
2 years ago, it was also storming on the day that we left out. So that's
left a note for
clearly
me.
just a thing that's going to happen when I take a motorcycle
Bury your
trip.
dad right next to Mom up on Cody's Ridge. There I said my last goodbye. I opened up the note and found a set of keys. Here's your car, son. I hope it flies. It's not the car that you're needing. It's my chance to be
Just
with
turned a little
you.
bit this
I
time.
hope you understand I always did the best that I could do. So little time.
I've got my Starlink plugged up and hooked up, but I'm not going to mess with it this morning. I've got
There will
plenty of
always
cell
be
service, I'm
a
sure.
part of us together in that car.
I also don't have my GPS started because, well,
There will always
I kind of know where I'm going. Let's put this windshield up. What do you say? Since we got it. As you can see, it's still rainy, yucky. Gonna happen. Main thing is I gotta watch for standing water. Bikes will hydroplane, but guess what? They do not hydroplane well.
I believe this life we're living ain't all there is, and there's something better up there waiting after this. I've sat on Sunday mornings, listened to that preacher preach, and I get what he's saying. But man, if you ask me, you think pearly gates, you think streets of gold, and I think about them long leaf pines lined on tobacco road. You think skies are blue, you think angels' wings. I think Grandpa on an Old Creek bank in a zip code 33. We all got our own opinions. We all believe what we believe. But everything that's heaven to you is Carolina to me. I've already Jesus, going through Kill Devil Hills. And I've talked to God face to face, sitting high up in Linville. But if you still want your mansion and your perfect paradise, then go on and get yours, and I'll head on back to mine. You think, turn your gaze. We all believe what we believe, but everything that's heaven to you.
All right.
Carolina.
Let's see if that does better.
Well, if you still want your mansion and your perfect paradise, then go on and get yours, and I'll head on back to mine.
All right, y'all. Well, that's the departure.
You think
at
streets of gold.
6:07. I'm kind of
I
rolling
think
into town.
about them long leaf pines lined.
If I can get this thing turned off, I'll see you guys later.
You think skies are blue? You think angels wings? And I think about old Andy Griffith whistling on TV. We all got our own opinions. We all believe what we believe, but everything that's heaven to you is Carolina to me. It's Carolina to me. I don't take my whiskey too extreme. Don't believe chasing crazy dreams. My feet are planted firmly on the ground. But darling, when you come around, I get carried away by the light in your eyes. Before I even realize the ride I'm on, baby, I'm long gone. I get carried away, nothing matters but being with you. Like a feather flying high up in the sky on a windy.
All right, and boom, just like that, we're in Iowa. That was a very fast trip, wasn't it? So, had a little malfunctions due to rain, I believe, on the way up here. I'm gonna have to possibly pick up another battery pack to charge everything with. I'm assuming the water got to it. I've had it unplugged for a few hours now, and trying to see if it'll reset the internal breaker on it. Thank you, Google. It's been a pretty decent ride, in and out of rain. I finally took my rain suit off. Gas stop before this last one. I just filled up. We are 79 miles away from meeting up with Bob and Bobby. So, getting way closer. I also moved my camera up here by me, if you can't tell. So, we're on the driver's side of my bike now, right behind me. Anywho, hopefully this mic is working and you'll be able to hear my voice, my sweet, loving voice. But, alright guys, well, we are going to continue day one of our Alaska trip out. The bike has been doing amazing. And we've just been clicking along the miles. We have so far 578 miles today, so it's been a heavy day. Got a couple more heavy days ahead of us, but it'll be all right. All right, well, I'm gonna get off here and listen to some music and finish out the drive, and I'll click it back on right before we pull into the campground. We're headed to Tower Campground in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. All right, see you guys in a bit. By the way, it's still recording. My jacket was in the way. It's hard to get to the button at that point.
Liquor store, Thunderbirds and bottles of green before. Follow my feet down the music road. Pour it on the pavement like you would a tombstone. Like you would a tombstone. Like you would a tombstone. Pour it on the pavement like you would a tombstone. Brothers and the sisters that's keeping me sane. Figure I'm weary of feeling this way. Well, I figure I'll buy me a motorcycle. Up a pretty little frame around a telephone pole. Ride her up a mountain like O-R-L-O. Figure I'll buy me a motorcycle. Figure I'll buy me a motorcycle. Figure I'll buy me a motorcycle.
It's got aftermarket exhaust on it, Bob.
Got exhaust on?
No.
Why'd you do that?
No.
I mean, they put those screws in those baffles for a reason.
They do, and it's been nice the whole way up here.
Except for the guy behind you.
Huh?
Except for the guy behind you.
Well, I'll have to deal with him the rest of the trip.
Alright.
The only one we gotta worry about is my boy. He's got a different. He likes the loud.
I look at it like this. I don't know about you, but when Bobby's on the back of one of our Gold Wings, it's going to be good entertainment.
Alright.
He's still out shopping?
Yeah. Where are you gonna set up at, Randy? I guess we got over there somewhere.
Pick the levelest spot you can find.
I think you should definitely get your blood type. All right, so we made it to, what is this, Tower Campground?
Tower Campground.
It's in
Sioux
Arkansas.
Falls.
Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I guess I should go. No, you can. Okay. So this is Bobby, my brother-in-law.
Blood type O positive.
Blood type O positive. This is Bob. He's really excited to be on YouTube.
Blood type O negative.
O negative. I'm A positive. I gotta get my card on. I have no clue. Maybe we should tell people that way we would get in a last
Yeah, we get something happens.
Somebody's
We need
gonna
a
give
blood
us.
transfusion. I
They're
see
gonna-
this
I
on
saw it
YouTube.
on YouTube. We're gonna. So everybody made it safe. Bob got his motorcycle fixed, got a battery put in it, so it's up and going.
Hondas are off to a rough start. You know, we got a little shimmy shake in one, the other one don't want to start up.
Just make
But the cowboy on the
Just
Indian made sure we all made it here. The cowboy on the Indian.
Bobby's gonna end up breaking down and riding on the back of my bike. I'm gonna strap him onto the camper actually with rock straps.
That might happen in a couple 100,000 miles, Randy. I'll remember this.
How many miles your bike got on it?
49.
Oh no, you should be good. You should be good. Let's see what else is there. Bobby's already went shopping. And now he's organizing.
Got my, this is the most exciting thing. Must have.
Now putting it up there.
Must have.
Must have the coffee.
This is compliments to Cousin Clint. He introduced me to that.
I've never heard of that.
Yeah.
Oh, when you're in Hawaii?
Yeah.
So,
But you don't have to refrigerate it.
So I don't know if you noticed, you guys can talk amongst yourselves, but I'm hungry. I've got something. Well, actually, hey Bobby, you gotta go over by Bob's where I can do this in one screenshot, because this is gonna be hopefully is
What is this?
well. We fix it.
sunscreen or what?
It's, yeah, dude, put that on the lip.
Oh, sun,
I mean, you
Don't-
can. But
sunburned skin. I'm gonna put it on my lip.
Alright. So this is yours. You gotta open this. And you gotta open this at the same time. And I want you to understand,
Is it alive?
I'm expecting something really funny. Me and Sarah have money on this. So there's a little black bag in there that's from Mike Shepard, my buddy. I don't know, have you met Mike?
I think I did. Was he at that fundraiser?
Yeah, I believe so. Yes. So the black bag in there is for Mike, and then the other one's something that I put together. So go ahead and open it. And don't just both of you open it. And me and Sarah have money on what the reactions are going to be.
Come on now. Built for the road, bound for adventure. 3 guys, 2 wheels. Alaska 2026. Oh, that is hilarious. Thanks for picking out the picture of me that makes me look like a total psycho.
Do you know how long it took me to get the pictures dumb enough to put on a t-shirt?
Oh,
There were some
man.
good ones, and I'm like, nah, we can't do that. I gotta find look at mine.
Yeah. No,
I didn't play favorites. I don't look like a glamour girl. or
no, I
anything.
like it.
And got the right motorcycles and everything. I was like, that's good old, what you call it a while ago, your AI
Yeah.
something?
Yeah, my AI bot.
AI bot, yeah.
Oh, that's
So-
funny.
I told Sarah, I was like, so now when we cross into Alaska, we gotta wear them.
Oh, there we go.
You gotta have it on. Or Canada, I don't know. And you know why I got white? No, wait, your nipples shine through.
Oh,
It's wet.
yeah.
Oh, that's Shep's got those. He come over last night late and brought those, and so he slipped them in the bags. I've now got. Uh-oh. You're gonna have to start running or something, Bob. You gotta wear it. I got a dry fit material. That way it'll.
That's my exercise.
That's it done for today. Well, don't go to sit back down because it fell. Oh no, that'll be good. Oh yeah.
Tree in the wilderness. Randy, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. I've been jonesing to get that. I've had them for And I've had them designed for a long while. You
Really?
should see the Chat GPT where me and Sarah and the girl who printed them
Yeah.
worked constant on trying to get it because it kept showing up real blurry and everything. And it
Oh,
wasn't
yeah.
turning out. I'm like, no, it's gotta pan out.
That is hilarious.
And then it had 3 random motorcycles on there, and it's crazy, this AI stuff.
Yeah.
Because I literally said, below Bobby put a 2016 Green Indian Chieftain. And there it is. And then I told it to put mine below me and Bob's 06
Oh yeah.
Goldwing. And it's flat. It swapped out the motorcycles that I first started with and put it all on there and everything. And then it put all the words on there. I didn't put any of that on there. It came up with all that.
Oh, it did.
Yeah.
Picture of this. I gotta take a picture.
Oh. Well, yeah. I was actually supposed to video it and show it and send it to Sarah, but I failed. You guys seeing it because
I thought we were.
oh well, we're not live. I'll have to edit this here in a bit
Oh.
and post it on YouTube this afternoon, which I probably ought to get started on. But anyway,
Here, hold it up, buddy.
hold it up, buddy. Bob, look at that stance.
That is funny, man. Thanks. Good job.
I thought it was funny. The funniest part is me trying to find the goofiest faces of
Right.
all the. So those pictures are all from when we made the intro video,
Yeah.
and I watched it and I was like, I got to get some dumb faces to put out there. I think I succeeded. Bob was the hardest one.
Yeah.
That's the best I could do because I don't know. That's just the best one I could come up with. I know. That's all I took with mine too. But look at mine. I look like I tried to poop.
That's funny.
Yeah. I will say Bobby's got the best. Let's go out of the two. I sound slightly off. Yes, off.
But that works.
Yes.
The off
yes,
works.
Yes. So, but all right. Well, I'm done with this video and stuff. So we're gonna go to Shields and find something to eat this evening.
Yeah, we can.
And everybody, make sure and look. We are never gonna lose Bob with his shoestrings.
No, you're not.
Those things
Camo pants.
the camo pants try to hide him,
Hunter safety
but we've got-
shoestrings.
But we've got
Hunter safety first.
Yeah,
Safety
yeah.
first.
There's more where that came from.
he's trying to get away.
Good luck
What
with
he
that.
actually done was just singled himself out.
Yeah. Oh wow, that is so cool, man.
And let's see what.
Okay.
And then if I wanted to,
Oh yeah.
yeah, we gotta add the camper in here.
So just that ball in that thing is the
It's got a lens on the backside too.
So yeah, but okay, so it's like a 180-degree
Right.
cameras on both sides.
Yep.
Oh, so you get full 360.
Yep.
Up, you go straight up with it. Oh, so this is a 360 camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go straight down. Yeah. And the funny part is, I don't think right now. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off here and start editing because it takes 2.5 hours to upload a video from my phone. 2.5 hours to get it done.
Wow.
I don't know, but all right. Well, we'll see you guys in the morning. Good day. I say
Good
day.
day.
Good day. Bob.
Good day.
Good day.